Good morning, students. So on the topic of linear equation in two variables, we continue with the same topic on word problems. Today I'm going to take some more type of word problems, and the type number 1 is problems on time and work. And the first question which I'm going to take up is 8 men and 12 boys can finish a piece of work in 5 days, while 6 men and 8 boys can finish it in 7 days. Find the time taken by one man alone and that by one boy alone to finish the work. So this is the question of time and work, and the solution is, suppose one man alone can finish the work in X days and one boy alone can finish it in Y days. And as we know, in time and work, we have to find 1 day work. So look at the next step. Then one man's 1 day work will be 1 by X, reciprocal. One boy's 1 day's work will be 1 by Y. Now as the question says, there are 8 men and 12 boys which can finish the work in 5 days. So on the basis of this information, we have the first here equation is 8 by X plus 12 by Y equal to 1 by 5. Because in time and work, we always find out 1 day work. Then coming to the next equation, the second case was 6 men and 8 boys can finish the work in 7 days. On this information, we are getting the first equation, 6 by X plus 8 by Y equal to 1 by 7. Now coming to the solving part, maybe you remember this pattern. Still I'm going to solve it. Let 1 by X equal to U, 1 by Y equal to V, and thus we will get a new equation in U and V, and that is 8U plus 12V is equal to 1 by 5, that I have marked as first equation. Second one, 6U plus 8V is equal to 1 by 7, that is the equation number 2. Coming to the solving part, on multiplying the equation number 1 by 3 and the equation number 2 by 4 and subtracting the results, we get 4V equal to 3 by 5 minus 4 by 7, which implies 4V is equal to 1 by 35, which is going to give us V is equal to 1 by 40. But as we know, V is actually 1 by Y. So look at this step here, 1 by Y equal to 1 by 40, which is going to give ultimately the answer as Y is equal to 40. After you get the value of V here, on putting the value of V as 1 by 40 in equation 2, we will get 6U equal to 1 by 7 minus 8 by 140, which implies 6U is equal to 12 by 140, which on simplifying will give me U is equal to 1 by 70. But as we know, we have taken U as 1 by X. So 1 by X is equal to 1 by 70, which implies X is coming to be 70. And thus we can write the answer in the form of statement. So one man alone can finish the work in 70 days and one boy can alone finish the work in 140 days. If we look at the solving part, this pattern we have already discussed in our previous video. We have taken 1 by X as U, 1 by Y as V. We got a new equation in terms of U and V. Then by using the method of elimination, we got V here. But since the question was in terms of Y, so ultimately I got the value of Y as 140. Then at the next step, we got the value of U as 1 by 70. But since the question was in terms of x, ultimately the answer of x was 70. So this is the way we can solve a question of problem on time and work. Now coming to the pattern which I have already discussed, I am just taking one more example of this pattern, and the pattern is problem of numbers, and the question is the sum of two numbers is 137, their difference is 43, find the numbers. Now coming to the solution part, let the numbers be x and y, and look at this condition. I have assumed x bigger than y. So on the basis of this, we will get the first equation, x plus y is equal to 137, x minus y equal to 43, which is the equation number 2. Then adding 1 and 2, we will get 2x is equal to 180, that is x is equal to 90 degree. Once we put the value of x and 90 degree in the first equation, we will get 90 plus y is equal to 137, which is going to give me the answer of y as 47. And thus we can write down the answer in the form of statement. The first number is 90 and the second number is going to be 47. So if you look at the pattern of the question which I have just not taken up, it was a question of problems on numbers, and we have used two variables because we are solving linear equation in two variables. Then look at this condition. We have assumed x is bigger than y. Only then I have written x minus y is equal to 43. Otherwise, if y was bigger than x, we would have written y minus x is equal to 43. So as you can see, this is the way we can solve the word problems. For the topic of linear equation two variables, the word problems will be coming in question of 4 marks. That is, they will come in section D. So I request the students to go through the pattern of different types of word problems which I have discussed and try to get perfection in these questions. So thank you and have a nice day.